Hi, we are asked to solve the equation 3 raised to the power of 2x equal to 5. We are asked to obtain the value of x. So we are given that 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 5. Now, the first thing we do here is that we will take the log of both sides because we have different bases here and we cannot express 5 in base of 3. So taking the log of both sides, we have that this becomes log 3 raised to the power of 2x, or in base 10, will be equal to log 5, or in base 10. Now recall also that if we have log m raised to the power of p, or in base n, this can also be expressed by the index law of logarithm as p log m to base n. Thus, we can apply this rule here. So we have it that the left-hand side becomes 2x multiplied by log 3 in base 10 equal to log 5 in base 10. So therefore, we have that this becomes 2x equal to, if we divide both sides by log 3 to base 10, the equation becomes log 5 to base 10, all divided by log 3 to base 10. Thus, this can further be simplified as 2x equal to log 5 to base 3. So therefore, x is equal to log 5 to base 3 divided by 2. And if you punch your calculator, x is equal to 0.7325. Now let's check if our answer is correct. So we are given that 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 5. So the value of x is 0.7324 in 4 decimals. So we have that this becomes 3 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 0.7325 is equal to 5. Now, if you punch your calculator, the left-hand side is approximately equal to 4.99994, which is approximately equal to 5. Hence, we have that x is equal to 0.7325. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Bye. I will see you in my next video.